Hi guys, I've done the video previously of doing the charcoal briquettes. Here I've now got them in my homemade chimney, DIY chimney, in my kettle braai. What I'm going to do today is do a leg of lamb on the rotisserie, and we'll see how this charcoal performs. It's 20 minutes past 11 and we've just lit the fire. The smell is actually very nice. The starch burning actually gives it already that burning, not burning food taste, that nice when somebody's preparing food, and that nice smell you get, you already get it from the starch burning. Very nice smell. You'll see that there's some white on the charcoal. It's not because it's burning already for use. It actually, we had rain yesterday or the day before, and somehow there was some moisture coming into them, and it looks like mold, I think. I'm not sure if it's mold or if it's just the starch being wet showing on the outside. I'm not sure, but it doesn't matter. The heat will sort it all out. And there we've got my briquette bin that the wife bought for me yesterday for the briquettes. There we have the chimney going for about 7 minutes, I would say, so it's still a while to go before we can actually start, but we'll get there. I decided to just put a few small pieces of regular charcoal that I've done before, maybe just to make sure it's hot enough. And when I tilted the chimney over, some of the pieces fell apart slightly, but it's probably not the end of the world. So I'm going to close this up and we're going to start the grilling process. And there we just put the meat on. So we'll see how long this takes and how it goes. There we can see the needle rising. Right, I could get it up to 200 degrees with the charcoal, but it seems to be getting stuck here. So I've added a couple of pieces of regular charcoal just to push the heat up a little bit more. We'll see what it does now. After 1 hour, right, 2 hours later, and this is what it looks like, and it really smells divine.